Hey traders, it is Friday on November 6th, and I just want to go over my trades today using the True Trader system and chat room. So great day today, over $700. I just want to address something. I might have gotten the comments that this might be, like paper trading account or a fake account. You really can't fake ECN fees, which are the fees you get on top of the per trade fee. So these are going to the ECN. I don't know what that stands for, but you can see here I paid a bunch of fees today in all my trades. So that addresses that. Just want to get that out of the way. So yeah, $700 in less than an hour. You can see the market opened at 9:30. I took GoPro first, short. And then later in the day, about 12 minutes after the open, I got here. Took that one for long for 215. And then a little later, almost half an hour into the trading day, I took EA and I held that one for a while. Should have held a little bit longer, but yeah. And then part of my plan was I went pretty big in GoPro off the, because of the chat room and the morning report. Here I found with the True Trader scanner. So they have 3 scanners that you can use. And here is here popped up on their pivot scanner. And then EA I found in my own kind of method. And part of it too is these gains could have been a lot more. But what I tend to do is if I'm in green territory for one trade, I'll start halving my size a little bit. As you can see, the profits start going down. So this could potentially have been over $1,000 a day. But just my level of comfort is if I already made some profit, the next trade I'm going to take it down a notch. And then on a third trade, I'm going to take it down even more. And I'm usually going to stop around there. I've done good for today, although I'm still kind of looking because today's just been awesome. So yeah, if you haven't watched my True Trader review, I'll link to that here. But if you want to make over $700 in less than an hour, I suggest you check out my other videos on my channel, check out the review video, and check out True Trader because it has been amazing. So thank you very much and have a great day.